What's up guys, so what is the best link building strategy for your website in 2020, okay? And how can you start building powerful backlinks to your website straight away? Well, getting a little bit psychological, there's always a new way to build links and there's always something more creative or more exciting, but is the grass greener on the other side? And what link building strategy should you stick to? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you which strategies are working for me right now, which ones you should choose, and how to get started. Plus, I'll teach you something else that no one really mentions about link building strategies. So let's jump in. But before you do, please make sure you subscribe and smash a like on this video if you enjoy it. Now, I'm going to be 100% honest with you, right? I could go into crazy link building scientist mode and tell you, you need to write 20,000 words, 15 GIFs, 10 jokes, include lots of puns, buy the webmaster 12 Pokemon cards, and you're guaranteed to get a backlink. This is link building nightmare mode and it's 100% guaranteed to work in 2020. You see, when it comes to link building, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. And the strategies that already work are out there already. So, the strategies are in place. You don't need to find something brand new or some shiny link building object that's going to get you loads of backlinks because, to be honest, the techniques that are really common right now, like the skyscraper technique, guest blogging, Harrow, these are all strategies that actually still work for link building if you want to boost your rankings. And a few years ago, people were saying, nah man, outreach is dead, it doesn't work for link building anymore. And then the year after that, they said that. And then after that, they said it even more. And every website is asking for paid links, outreach doesn't work anymore. But in the last month, for example, I built over 200 backlinks from outreach for my link building clients. So you don't need any brand new crazy link building strategy if you want to get links to your site. And the strategies are already out there, still work in 2020, and I'm pretty confident that they'll still work for the next few years too. So I tend to find that a lot of website owners are looking for some crazy, unique way to build links that's never been done before because, they want to try something, they want to test something out, but at the same time, I would say that's the wrong path to follow. And really, the best link building strategy is the one that you're most consistent and patient with because over time, you're going to make tiny improvements, tiny tweaks, and all of this is going to add up to a very powerful link building strategy, even if you use something that's been done for years, such as guest blogging. These link building strategies haven't died out yet because they're so powerful and because they're tried, tested, and proven to work. Now, what I will say is that with any link building strategy that you use right now, it's not going to work first of all. And you're not going to get the results you want to see in the first week or the first month or even the first couple of months. But over time, as you make tiny tweaks, tiny improvements, you're going to see much better results over time as you master and get better at this link building strategy. Let me give you an example, right? For the first link building strategy I tried, I sucked. I tried link building outreach and I was really bad at it. For the first couple of weeks, I didn't get any links in. And then the first month or so, I got like one link in and I sent about 200 emails. So it was pretty brutal. But then over time, I made it tweaks and I made improvements and I saw how I could tweak the process to make sure that I was better and better at link building. Until eventually, after a few months of tweaking and optimizing the process, I created a link building strategy that's pretty much outsourced. It runs on autopilot and it's generated me backlinks for years. Now, my point is that there's no silver bullet out here. And even if you're a one-trick pony when it comes to link building, that's fine. As long as you've mastered the process, it's working for you right now, then I'd much rather master one link building strategy than try 10 different ones that barely get any results. And whichever link building strategy you use, chances are it's not going to be perfect first time round. You're not going to get the results you want to see straight away. The plan that you create first of all isn't the plan that's going to get you there in the long run. So if you're trying to pick the best link building strategy, I would pick one of three, right? Either pick guest blogging, pick the skyscraper technique, or use Harrow. And whichever link building strategy you use, stick to it, master it, and once you've finally outsourced it into a system that runs on autopilot, then you can move on to the next link building strategy. Now, if you want some tips on how to use one of the three link building strategies that I recommend, then please check out my link building outreach playlist on YouTube, and that'll teach you exactly how to do each of these processes step by step so you can start generating powerful backlinks with link building outreach straight away to your site. And this is one of the biggest reasons why I only sell the skyscraper link building technique to my clients. I don't actually offer them any other type of link building such as audio link building because it's more experimental and it's not guaranteed to get results. And it's not as tried, tested, and proven as other link building methods that I'm much more familiar with. So if you're looking for the best link building strategy for your site, then focus on the one that's the most proven, that's the most tested, and that has the most information on it. And I would say, again, that comes down to Harrow, guest blogging, and the skyscraper technique. So if you want results, focus on those. If you want to experiment, sure, you could spend time doing other techniques, but really you should be focusing on your site and looking for the most scalable and efficient way to get links to your site as possible. Now, when it comes to your backlink profile and what types of links are the best for your site, then I would always say focus on natural editorial links that look like they're there because your content is good, not just because you've spanned a few directories or forums to get links to your site. So if you want powerful links to your site that actually move the needle and boost your rankings, then focus on the ones that look the most natural, because in the eyes of Google, that's what's going to indicate your site as being authoritative. Now, that also means that your backlink profile shouldn't look like it's been manipulated. And what I mean by this is that you need to be very careful with the anchor text you use, the types of links you get, which pages you get links to. So when you're getting backlinks, make sure that you vary the anchor text. Don't keep it the same every time. Don't even try to manipulate it. Usually when I'm doing link building outreach, I let the webmaster decide what anchor text to use because they know where your backlink fits most naturally into their content. It gives them the time and convenience to set it themselves. And usually when it comes to outreach, you don't really have that much control over the backlinks you get anyway. So it's better to let the webmaster decide when it comes to which anchor text to use. And it's also the same with the types of links you get, okay? So, you know, any natural backlink profile has a mix of no follow and do follow links. So you shouldn't just build a backlink profile of links that are all do follow. That's not going to help your site because it doesn't look natural. And if you look at any big site that generates a lot of traffic, usually they have a mix of no follow and do follow links. So that's another key part of your backlink strategy. Now, additionally, I see a lot of website owners only targeting high DR links. And I would say genuinely that's a mistake because that doesn't look natural in the eyes of Google. If you're only getting links from very authoritative sites, then that doesn't form a natural backlink profile. And most websites have a mix of everything. So, you know, you might have low authority sites linking to you, high authority sites linking to you, and it's always a mix of everything if you want your backlink profile to look natural. So that's it from me and the best link building strategy for your website. Now, if you have any questions about link building, let me know in the comment section below and I'll be happy to help you. If you haven't already, please subscribe because my link building videos will help you boost your rankings, drive more traffic, and grow your site with SEO. And if you enjoyed this video, please smash a like on it. That would genuinely make my day.